Setting goals are easy. It's the follow through and making these goals happen the hard part. I'm kicking off a brand new series here on my channel to keep you up to date on my goal progress. So if you watched the video that I made a couple weeks ago, I walked you through my goal planner and how I'm setting goals for 2018. You can check it out. I'll link it up above. But the first Friday of every month, I'm going to be updating you on my progress and goals I'm setting for that month. And what's really exciting about this video is it's a collaboration video with two other amazing ladies. Stick around to find out who. Hey guys, my name is Trina and welcome to another episode of Just the Tips. Here on my channel, I help lady business owners figure out this crazy online world so they have more time to do the things they love. And like I teased earlier, this is a collaboration video with my friend Allie of the Social Walker Agency and also Ashlyn Carter of Ashlyn Writes. We all three are going to be sharing our goal progress in our Powersheets. So Powersheets are our favorite goal planner. We've all been using them for quite some time. And so every Friday, we are going to share with you our progress and what we are setting as goals for the next month. So I'm going to pop on to a overhead shot so you can see the goals that I'm setting and how I use my Powersheets for this month. So to get started on my Powersheets, I'm actually using these marker type pens from Hoo Hero. They're from Amazon. They got like this marker tip and they come in a bunch of different colors, so that's why I chose them. So the first page in the January Powersheets are all about getting listed the things that are coming up. So on my calendar, important things to do, and what I'm excited for. So I already went through some of these and got them prepped in advance. These are the things that I'm letting go, and write out all your worries and fears here. And then this is the important part. This is where you want to dump all of your ideas. Everything you think you want to get done this month, dump it into this page right here. Then what's great is you can go back and circle the things that you need to get done, because we can have so many things on our to-do list that it can be difficult to really prioritize. So taking some time to dump your ideas here is really, really important. I really love this page. It keeps me organized and it keeps me on task. And this is your tending list. And this is what I'm going to go through with you today. Every month I'm going to be sharing with you my tending list, where I'm at, if I reach these monthly goals, how I did with my weekly goals and my daily goals. So I'm going to go ahead and start filling these out. I don't always write encouraging words. If I'm not feeling anything, then I just skip it for the month. So I know my biggest goal this month is to update my current course. I'm going to be relaunching this soon, so I just want to update all the modules and the content so that it is up to date with the most current information. And that's going to be really my biggest priority for this month. I know another one of my goals this month is to get content ready for February. I typically like to film my YouTube videos a month in advance, so January, I've got to get all my February videos done. With the upcoming launch of YouTube Bootcamp, I also need to strategize some Facebook ads. So that's going to be another goal of mine. Now, as you work through these, you can scribble them off till you actually complete them, so you can see as far as you're going what you're getting done. And one last thing I really want to work on this month is streamlining my employee process. I have hired 2 people and I just want to really figure out a way to make it a lot easier to communicate and get things done. And it doesn't have to be neat. You can see how sloppy my handwriting is. It's whatever. So next we're going to move on to, let me move this up a bit. We're going to move on to weekly goals, and these are the things you want to do every single week. So I personally like to meal prep every single week. It keeps me eating healthy. It keeps me less stressed. It helps me manage my grocery list. So that's going to be one of my top weekly goals. I generally do this on Sunday, so I'll be able to check this off this Sunday once I get it done. I also know each week I want to recap and go through everything that I got done that week and plan the next week ahead. It just helps me be more strategic and get things done. And one other weekly goal I want to have is check-ins with my boot camp students and also my clients. And one last weekly goal that I want to have is I want to upload 3 videos a week to my YouTube channel. This is a new goal of mine, so I'm going to see how it goes this month, and every week I want 3 videos posted on YouTube. And then the last part down here are my daily goals. These are the things I want to do every single day. These are great if you're working on changing habits or wanting to start a new habit. And I know one of my first daily goals is going to be exercising / physical therapy every single day. As I'm rehabbing my knee, this needs to be a priority. So one other thing I want to focus on this month is drinking more water. I have been good at drinking water, but recently have slacked off, and I just generally feel better when I am drinking more water, so that's going to be a daily goal of mine. And finally, the third daily goal I'm going to have is to read more. I want to incorporate 15 to 20 minutes of reading every single day. I've got some great business books that I've really wanted to read through, and I just haven't had time, so I want to start making time to read more. And I think this is going to be good for now. I know it's January and we're really gung-ho about our goals and doing as many things as possible, but I'm going to just stick to these for now. If I find some encouraging words, I'll go ahead and write it up here. I'm also going to tear this out. You can see it has a little dotted edge. I'm going to tear this out and hang it up to beside my desk right on over here, just because it reminds me more and it's easier to check off. And then at the end of the month, I can go through here. I'll be doing this the first Friday of every month. So check back in on February 2nd as I go through a month in review and prep for February. So for me, I'm going to probably tear out my tending sheet and stick it to the wall right here. I just know personally that if I see it more frequently, I will do it. Last year, I left it in my book, and so I didn't keep up with it enough. And so this is my strategy this time around, is to keep it in sight. I hope you enjoy this series. Like I said, it's going to be the first Friday of every month, so make sure you click subscribe. You go down into that description box as well and click the link to Allie and Ashlyn's videos as well. Make sure you leave them a comment letting them know that I sent you, and you subscribe to follow their journeys with their goals as well. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!